Hello, my name is Arliza Hoiriani. I'm from class Culinary D. This time I will presentation my worksheet 3, Handling Guest Conflict or Complaints. Handling customer complaints in restaurant is an important part of maintaining customer satisfaction and business reputation so that the business can run well. Especially with the rapid use of social media today, it can be like two blades for actors in the food and beverage sector. Number 1. Identify guest complaints. Food quality. A customer complained about the picture on the food menu not matching portion, shape, color, and ingredients of the ingredients that did not match the name of the dish. A customer complained about food that was supposed to be served cold, but when it arrived at the consumer table, it was served at room temperature. A customer complained about an order for his chicken stick that was undercooked on the inside when it was cut. Service. A customer complained about a waiter who ignored the request to replace a new serving equipment because the previous one had trace of oil. A customer complained about a waiter giving a bill before the customer has finished with his dish. A customer complained about a waiter not smiling when serving the menu to the restaurant table. Hygiene. A customer complained about a wet dining table. A customer complained when he saw a seller who did not use gloves or wash his hands after giving change. A customer complained when he saw a seller picking up food with his bare hands without gloves to put on a plate and then serve it to customer. Price. A customer complained about a food menu that was not listed in the price. A customer complained when the payment bill is not in accordance with what is listed on the menu. As a customer complained about the very high price of food, not proportional to the type and portion of food served. Atmosphere. A customer complained about the situation under the dining table where tissues were scattered during lunch. A customer complained about buskers who came in less than every 10 minutes at the restaurants. A customer complained about the condition of the restaurant that was too noisy due to the music speakers being turned on too loudly. Food safety. A customer complained about food that contained a strand of hair when served. A customer complained about the buffet dish not being covered when the restaurant conditions were not very crowded. A customer complained about the soup order arriving too cold when served. Time. About customers who complained because the estimate ready this did not match very far up to 10 of minutes from what was mentioned by the previous seller or waiter. A customer complained about the seller prioritizing serving customer who had just arrived at the restaurant. A customer complained about a dish that took a long time at the dinner table after waiting and asked repeatedly. Communication. About the error of the order menu being confused with the menu from another table. About the waiter who does understand the menu when customer asks about the best dish, recommended or allergenic. About the seller giving priority to serving customer who have just arrived at the restaurant. Number 2. Complaint handling solution. Complaint case. A customer complained about his order of undercooked chicken stick on the inside of the meat when it was cut. Solution step. Initial response. Respond quickly to the complaint for the inconvenience experienced by the customer. Complaint verification. Check customer complaints by confirming with chef. Explanation and solution. apologize, and give a little explanation of why the steak is undercooked with polite, simple, and unconvoluted language to the customer and immediately replace it with new food. Compensation: replacing the same menu with improved quality and providing compensation in the form of discount or free drinks as a form of apology to customer. Follow up with customer after they finishing eating the dish to make things that still need to be improved. Complaint case: a customer complained about a food menu that was not listed in the price. Solution steps: initial response: respond quickly to the complaint for the inconvenience experience. Complaint verification: seller check customer complaint and log things to fix them. Explanation and solution: provide an explanation of the reason why the food menu is not priced in polite, simple, and unconvoluted to customer. Compensation: providing compensation in the form of price discount as a form of apology to customer. Follow up by immediately replacing the old food menu with a new menu that has been listed in price, and also don't forget to update on social media. Case complaint: a customer complained about the soup order arriving too cold when served. Solution steps: initial response: respond quickly to the complaint for the inconvenience experienced by the customer. Complaint verification: check customer complaints by confirming with the waiter and chef. Explanation and solution: apologize and give a little explanation of why the soup order is served cold or not as it should be to the customer, and over whether they want to be warm or replace it with a new one. Compensation: replacing the same menu with improved quality and providing compensation in the form of free food. This as a form of apology to customer. Follow up with customers after they finishing eating the dish to make sure things that still need to be improved. Number 3, impact of complaints. The thing that happens if customer complaints are not addressed immediately is that it like that business that were initially very crowded and highly sought after will sooner or later be slowly abandoned by their fans, and they will switch to other places that sell the same product. They then cannot remove the bad image that has been attached and will not disappear even though has gone out of business. Thank you.